Thomas was steaming through the snow when he came upon some strangers. "Hello," said Thomas. "I'm Thomas. Who are you?" "I'm Pororo," said Pororo. "I'm Loopy," said Loopy. "And I'm Eddie," said Eddie. "We're all in our cars and we're looking for someone to race against. Can we race against you, Thomas?" "Well, I have to stay on these tracks, but I can get someone for you to race against. I'll meet you at the racetrack around that corner." And Thomas left. Pororo and his friends went round the corner and wow! "Now that's what I call a racetrack," said Eddie. "This is going to be so much fun." Thomas appeared with some Thomas minis. "Hello," said Thomas. "I can't race myself, but my mini and these two minis, Bill and Dash, can." They unloaded them and Thomas went to turn round. Lightning McQueen and Francesco Bernoulli appeared. "We heard there was some racing. Count us in," they said. With 8 of them to race, Mini Thomas went first against Mini Racing Bill. Go! Thomas absolutely flew down to win, with both of them crashing into the snow at the bottom. That was fast. Next was Pororo against Loopy. Loopy wins, just beating Pororo to the line. Well done, Loopy. Next, Lightning McQueen against Dash. Surely only one winner here. Go! Dash wins. Wow, what a race. McQueen went over the line and crashed into a tree. He's alright though. Next is Eddie against Francesco Bernoulli. Go! Wow, that was close. Replay needed. Yes, it shows Eddie just crossed the line first. Well done, Eddie. Bernoulli has buried himself in the snow. Both cars racers knocked out already. Now we have the first of the 2 semi-finals. Loopy against Eddie. Go! Loopy powered through to win, and Loopy's through to the final. Who will she face? Dash and Thomas in the second semi-final. This could be close. Go! Well, I'm not sure about close, but it was fast. Thomas wins to face Loopy in the final. The final. Go! Another fast race, but Mini Thomas just wins with Thomas looking on. Well done, Thomas, and unlucky Loopy. That was a good race. They all gathered round and cheered the 2 finalists. Loopy for coming second and Mini Thomas for winning. "That was great racing," said Pororo. "Can we do it again sometime?" "Of course," said Thomas. Thanks for watching our video. Here's another one you may have missed. Hello, today we're going to use our toys to teach you the alphabet. And at the end we'll sing the alphabet song. Let's start. A is for Arthur. B is for Bus, and this one's called Bertie. C is for Cookie Monster, and he likes cookies, yum yum. D is for Donald Duck. E is for Elmo. F is for Finn McMissile from Cars. G is for Gator, one of Thomas's new friends. H is for Harold. I is for Iron Man. He's a superhero. J is for Jake, a pirate from Neverland. K is for Kristoff. He's from Frozen. L is for Lightning McQueen, a really fast car. M is for Mickey Mouse. N is for Neville. He's the black train. O is for Olaf, a talking snowman. P is for Pocoyo. He's dressed in blue. Q is for Quarry. This one's the Blue Mountain Quarry. R is for Rowdy. He's a Play-Doh garbage truck. S is for SpongeBob, who lives in the sea. T is for Tom Moss. He plays pranks on the other engines. U is for Ulfstead Castle. It's built on a hill. V is for Victor. He usually repairs trains. W is for Woody. He's from Toy Story. X is for X-Ray. This one's of Sully. Y is for Yoshi. He's from Mario. Z is for Zurg, the Emperor from Toy Story. Now sing along. Thank you for watching our video. To see more, please click on any of these clips, and if you haven't already subscribed, go on, do so now. See you soon.